my cuties, it's me Anushka. Welcome back to my channel after a 2 week long break that I took from posting long form videos on my channel that I'm really sorry for. I feel so bad that I broke my consistency streak, but it's okay. I was a little inactive on all of my social media platforms in general since the past 2 weeks because there was a lot going on in my life, both personally and professionally. All good things, don't worry, it's all good. There were a lot of good things going on, touch wood. So I just wanted to live in the moment and make the most out of it. It was also my birthday week last week, so it felt like the perfect time to just chill for a bit, live in the moment. And I'm so glad that I took some time off because now I feel so much more fresh, so much more motivated to get back to creating videos, and my creative juices are flowing now. So I'm glad that I took this break. But anyways, speaking of birthday week, you all know what today's video is gonna be all about. Because it was my birthday week last week, I ended up splurging a little and got my hands on a bunch of random things, thinking that it's my birthday, I deserve to shop anything and everything that I want. So I just thought I will sit and show you all everything that I got as a part of this super random shopping haul that I did for my birthday. So yeah, that's what we are gonna do, and without any further ado, let's get started. I think we should start with books because I got some really nice books for my birthday. I went to Crossword and got two books because you all know I love reading books. I have also made a highlight on my Instagram where I have added all my reviews and all my book recommendations. So go check it out if you like reading books as well. But anyways, the first book that I got is Blue Sisters by Coco Mellors. I hope that's how you pronounce her name. But yeah, that's not the point because this is an amazing book from what I have read from the reviews. And I have read quite a bit of it and I am really liking it so far. It's like a very moving tale of three sisters. There's a lot of backstory. There are multiple point of views. And I have been really loving it ever since I read the reviews. I was really looking forward to reading it. So I am so glad that I got my hands on this finally. And I also got this book which is called This Is How You Heal. This is like a continuation to one of my favorite books which is called 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. I keep reading it way too often. It's like a book that I keep going back to because you can read it and reread it at as many times as you want. It's so relatable. It's like a book of essays that will really move you. So I wanted to get my hands on this continuation for like a really long time, and yeah, I think this one is gonna be a great read as well. I'm so looking forward to reading this. Okay, then I want to show you all these sneakers that I got myself from Steve Madden. I love Steve Madden sneakers, and these ones that I got are legit Adidas Samba dupes, but even better because I feel like Adidas Sambas are not really that great, especially for like short girls like me. I am 5'2", and while I love the look of Adidas Sambas, I feel like it's too flat. It won't look flattering on a short girl like me. I really want my sneakers to have a good platform, and these sneakers from Steve Madden are exactly that. This looks so much like the Sambas, but it has also got a platform which is short girl approved. I've actually had a similar one like this in green for about a year now. I wear it quite often. I'll put a picture somewhere out here. You all must have seen me wearing that one quite a bit. I just wanted to get this white one for my birthday, and I was actually very much convinced that I want to get myself the Adidas Sambas, but a part of me felt like no, it's too flat, I won't like it once I get it. So yeah, I just went for this one, and I am so happy because this is a lot more decently priced. It's super comfy. This looks so good. I cannot wait to style it. Okay, next let me show you what all did I get from Bershka, because I got quite a lot of stuff from Bershka recently. Thinking that it's my birthday, I deserve to get everything that I want. Bershka opened up recently in Mumbai, and ever since it opened up, I think I've already been there thrice, and every time I've gone there, I think I have shopped something at least because I really like the collection. At first glance I thought that the collection was super mid and everything, but upon searching and trying things out, I really liked the collection. So I got myself quite a lot of stuff. Let me show you one by one. Let's start with this yellow shirt because I have been obsessed with this shirt. It looks so good. It's one of those cinched waist shirts that makes you look so snatched, and I love the color. It's like a very cute butter yellow color, and I love butter yellow, and the silhouette of this is just so amazing. Like the minute I tried it on, I was like, I have to get it. It's too amazing, and it's really soft as well, so it's summer approved. Then I also got my birthday dress from Bershka. You all know which dress I am talking about already. I actually posted an entire video where I asked all of you to help me pick my outfit, and all of you picked this blue dress that I got from Bershka, and I'm so glad that you picked the blue dress because I was low-key inclined towards the blue dress itself because it is so pretty. It's like this beautiful baby blue color. I felt so beautiful on my birthday when I wore this, and the fitting is such a serve. I love it. I'm so glad that I got this. Then I also got this really nice pair of jeans from Bershka. The fitting is so amazing for this one. It's like perfect. The length, the fit, it hugs my body in all the right places. It's just perfect. The wash is also perfect. Everything about this is so amazing, and I'm a jeans girl. You all must know that. I love my jeans. I love wearing jeans no matter what season it is. So yeah, I'm so glad that I got this one. Then I also got myself these glasses from Bershka. These are legit Miu Miu dupes. Like this particular frame is going viral on the internet right now. Every other cool girl is wearing it, but they are wearing Miu Miu, and I cannot afford the Miu Miu glasses. It's a little too overpriced, so I found myself a dupe on Bershka. And I always feel like frames don't really look nice on me, but this one does look really nice. It's very office siren coded, and it's like sort of lifting my face, so I really liked it. And I actually have to get new glasses made because my power has increased thora recently, so I was in general looking for good frames, and I really like this one, so I'm actually planning to get power lenses installed in it. It's just really pretty. I like it. Then just before my birthday, like on my birthday eve, I went to South Bombay, and then I ended up going to Palladium Mall, and I ended up going to Bershka, and I ended up getting some more stuff from Bershka because why not? It was my birthday eve, and I actually got myself some tank tops. I really needed some tank tops again, so I got this white one that I am wearing. I love the fit. It just snatches my body again so nicely. Skims Who, and I got a similar one in another color. This one is in this really beautiful sage green color, and I feel like I did not have anything in this color in my wardrobe, and this makes up for a good neutral color to have in your wardrobe. So I was like, okay, let's get it, because these tank tops were pretty affordable, and given the fit, the material, the quality and everything, I feel like these are really good purchases, so I just got them. Then I also got something from Uniqlo right on my birthday eve. Again, Palladium Mall, I am blaming you for shopping so much, but anyways, I got myself another pair of jeans. I'm not even kidding, this is like the softest pair of jeans that I've ever laid my hands on. It is so comfy, and thankfully the fitting was also so perfect. It has this mid-waist to low waist sort of a fitting that mostly doesn't look that great on me, is what I think, but this one looked so good, and I was like, okay, I have to get it. So both of the jeans that I got as a part of my birthday shopping spree have really impressed me, and I'm so happy about it. Let's move on to makeup now. Firstly, I got this Bare Vanilla Body Mist from Victoria's Secret. I wanted this for such a long time, and I'm so glad that I finally got it because this smells so good. It's like the perfect vanilla scent, and I love a good vanilla scent. I love applying a nice calming vanilla scent, especially at the end of the day before I'm going to bed, because I feel like it really calms me down. And this just smells so good. Then I also restocked on two of my all-time favorite lip glosses. This one is the Dior lip oil, and I am obsessed with it. I just got it, and I've used so much of it already because it's just so good. I keep applying it. It's like a lip oil. It's actually a lip oil. So every time my lips feel dry, I just apply this, and it just feels so good. It feels so hydrating, and it makes my lips also look so good. And I also got my favorite lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is like the most long-lasting lip gloss ever. I forgot the shade name, but I will link it all in the description box so you guys can check it out. And this has been one of my favorite lip glosses for about 2 years now, and I love it because It's the perfect nude shade. It is so long lasting, like it just doesn't budge, and it's so hydrating also. I really like it. And I also got this Makeup Forever Artist Highlighter. I have heard so much about this. I was like, let's get it, it's my birthday, I can get anything and everything that I want. So I just ended up getting this, and I'm so glad that I did, because this is so good. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just so good. Look at that. I still don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so shiny. It's like a beautiful color also. Like, it's so different from every other highlighter that I've got. It's like a very cool toned pink sort of a shade that I love, and it's so beautiful. I wore this on my birthday actually, and it just made me feel so pretty. And with that, we have come to an end to today's very random shopping haul. I hope I'm not missing out on anything, but mostly I am not. This birthday, I actually wanted to get myself a Dyson. Not the Dyson Airwrap. I actually wanted to get myself the Dyson straightener, because I love a good straightener. I do my waves and all also with the straightener only. So for the longest time, I have been eyeing the Dyson straightener, and I had placed an order and everything from Nykaa. It was supposed to reach me on my birthday, but for some weird reason, the package got cancelled, and then I was so disheartened that I did not place an order after that. Now I actually want to go to a store and get it from the store itself, but uske baad mujhe time ही नहीं मिला है, because birthday week के बाद I have just gotten back to work in full swing. But I am gonna go and get myself that Dyson super soon, because I feel like I really deserve it. Whenever I do, I will make an unboxing video for sure. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with all of you. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I will see you again next Saturday. No, this time I'm not going to break my consistency streak. बहुत break ले लिया है मैंने. So I'll see you again next Saturday, and until then, bye.